Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get film out of the Fujifilm Instax instant camera. This will be a beginner tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Once again, how to get film out in the Fujifilm Instax instant camera, a beginner tutorial. This right here is the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera, but even if you have a different Fujifilm Instax Mini camera, there's different models, it's gonna be a very similar process. So essentially, before you open this up, okay, you wanna make sure you are done with the film cassette, okay? If you open this up and there's still pictures, I should say picture availability left in the film cassette, then guess what? You're gonna probably ruin at least the next picture in that cassette. So make sure you're absolutely done. Make sure there's no more exposures left in here or you will ruin what's left, okay? When you know that you're done, what you wanna do is open up this backing right here. So press down on this lever and open it up. You wanna avoid holding the camera from the door because the hinges aren't the strongest. You wanna hold it from the body of the camera right over here. Now, it says don't press on this, okay? Now, if you're removing this and there's no exposures left, then I don't think there's much harm in pressing on that and putting your fingers in those little slots because there's no film left in it anyways. You're just gonna throw it out. If there is film, don't do it, but if there's no film left, then sort of get your fingers and grab this right here and pull it out, right? So if there's no film left, you can sort of just grip like this and pull it out. I know it says don't put your fingers there, but if there's no film left, I don't think it matters that much. That's just my opinion. But if not, what you can do is essentially you can just get your fingernail and sort of hook it on here and just lever it out so that the yellow part comes out first. So I'm just gonna lever it out so the yellow part comes out first using my fingernail like that. Once the yellow part is out, then I can grab the film cassette and we're good to go. When you're done, close the cassette door or put your new film cassette in, whatever you want to do. But that's it. That is how to get the film cassette out of the Fujifilm Instax instant camera. This is the Mini 11, but whatever one you're using, it's going to be the same process for the most part, a beginner tutorial. If you like this video tutorial / demonstration, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.